Michael, tough game today, but 3 points at home to Renfrew. What are your thoughts on the game?
Strange game in the sense, obviously, that they kind of we were brilliant. I thought in the first half an hour, the first half. That's probably the best performance we've put in this season. Everything that we've kind of been working on over the last 3 months, everything just fell into place. I thought Renfrew really struggled to cope with, and they made a change quite early on because of that and changed the shape. And we raced into a 3-goal lead. And to be honest, I kind of felt at that point it was only going to carry on that way, and we might have went on and scored a few more. Obviously, the red card we get after maybe 35 minutes probably changes the game, and then we tried to get obviously the information on, try to change the shape during the game, which is never easy, and Renfrew scored before half time to make it 3-1. So, they had their tails up a wee bit. We knew we were going to be in for a tough second half. We then got them in, regrouped a little bit, changed the shape again, and got the information on. But Renfrew started the second half really well. I think it took us about 15 minutes to really settle into the second half, but we made a few changes in personnel in the second half in certain areas, and I thought when we did that, we actually became a little bit more comfortable within the game. But look, Renfrew have had chances. Naturally, you'd expect that playing against a team with a man less. But fortunately for us, they didn't take any of them. But we knew there was a big 3 points at stake for us, because again, there's teams above us playing each other, and a few games have been called off. So we knew the importance of 3 points, and just delighted that we've managed to get it in the end.
You mentioned the sending off. Did that let you see a different side to your team, and a different side to the boys, and see how they can actually fight and grind out a win?
We spoke to them at half time. That was the message at half time. We just need to try and be compact. We need to be try and narrow, try and allow them maybe space down the sides with the fullbacks, and everybody just kind of shuffling across and try to be as compact as we can. Cameras Langdon it a couple of weeks ago, and we used that as an example. They made it really difficult for us that day. So that's what I'm saying. We did it. I thought we did it for the last half hour, but the first 15 minutes we struggled, and Renfrew could have capitalised on a few more chances. But they've rolled their sleeves up today and battled right through to the end, and managed to get us what I said was a massive 3 points for us.
Away to Blantyre next week. What are you expecting for that game?
Really tough, really tough game. Blantyre doing well again, a team that's above us in the league. Beat us here earlier in the season. Another great result the day, I believe, we've went and won it at Glencairn, which not a lot of teams have done this season. So look, we know that's going to be a really tough test for us, and Blantyre are coming into that game high in confidence with some good results recently. So we need to be ready. It'll be a different type of challenge to what today was. Different pitch, different surface. So look, we'll go there and we'll pick a team that we think can go and compete, and hopefully we can come away with a positive result.
Thanks, Michael. Well done today. Cheers.